That title's not clickbait. I quit cooking. Well, kinda. Saturday night, I clocked out from my job over the last almost 4 years for the very last time. Why? Well, it was time. This channel's seen considerable growth in the last few months. So much so that I felt confident enough to pursue it full time. But more importantly, I was exhausted. If you recall my video, A Heart to Heart with Aspiring Chefs, I spoke at length about what really goes into being a professional cook and the toll that it takes on you. I quit looking forward to going to work. My body felt like it was aging at an accelerated rate, and honestly, I just wasn't giving my best anymore. So after more than a decade, it was time for me to go and take back control of my life. But why am I telling you this? Why should you care? Well, whether I'm meant to or not, my identity on this platform is a cook. And honestly, it's my identity in real life too. I'm a cook, and I don't know how to be anything else. But I'm not anymore, at least not in a restaurant. More importantly though, it means I'm going to have a lot more time to focus on videos and put out content more regularly. It also means that all of my cooking is going to be done at home. So at the request of basically all of you, knife use footage is going to come back in knife review videos. Here's the thing though, I never really wanted to be a knife review channel. I blew up with that Babish knife review and kept getting requests to do more knives. I'm going to keep doing them. They are my most viewed videos and I'd be stupid not to. But this does mean that I'm going to experiment with different types of content and have fun with it. So I ask that you stick with me as I look to expand and see what works, and definitely let me know if it's not working for you. Don't worry though, it'll always relate back to cooking and gear. I will always stay under that culinary umbrella. Don't get this full-time thing twisted though. I'm not making even close to enough money on these videos to live. Viewership is a fickle thing, and this month's YouTube paycheck is going to be enough to maybe cover my heating bill, and I didn't even turn on the heat this month. That's what DoorDash and other regular freelance gigs are for. The truth of it is, I'm terrified. I left a good paying job that paid all of my bills and then some, so that I could make silly internet videos. Can't help but feel like I've made this horrible mistake that's going to end up biting me in the ass. But at the same time, I'm 31 years old. I'm not getting any younger. And I had to take this huge risk in order to be happy. So I think it's fair after everything that I've said to remind you guys that I do have a Patreon. While it hasn't been much more than just a vessel to support me thus far, I do want to start working on possible regular content for it. At the very least, I'll be doing early access much more regularly, starting with my next episode of Cooking by the Book, which I'm filming tomorrow. Additionally, within the next few days, after talking about it for months, I'm finally going to be streaming on Twitch again for the first time since February, so make sure you go and drop a follow there if you want to hang out with me. So that's about it, I think. Remember, your support got me here. I wouldn't have made it this far without you all showing up to every video and encouraging me every step of the way. So from the very deepest depths of my heart, I thank you. That said, I love y'all. I'll see you soon.